Good morning, water lilies. It is about 6:45 in the morning, and I am headed to the train station. Headed to the coast. Whoop, whoop. But a little nervous. So those of you that know me, and I always say that. You know, I've never been on a train before, like outside of an L or a subway. So, yeah. We got a beautiful sunrise this morning. It's a little chilly. It's okay because it really heats up, and my understanding, the coast is scorching hot, right up my alley. So, all right, that's all I'm going to say for now. I will see you when I get to the train station. I believe there's no video recording inside of the terminal, but once I get on the train, I can start recording and maybe give you all a little short story of what I've learned and accomplished so far on my first solo female backpacking trip. Alrighty. Deuces. See y'all on the flip side. My coffee ain't entered my system yet, so yeah, I am a little lackadaisical, like, yeah, see y'all. Okay, water lily, so we are on here, and, you know, really, I think I do. But it was a different train that had like your own little private little area. So, needless to say, maybe when I go back, I may be going coach. But that's like sitting 4 people in a square for that. And it looks like it's filling up, but hopefully, you know how they go. Hopefully nobody sit next to me. I'm trying to be friendly, but it's not really working very well for me. So, and we got that old funk going on. I think it's an aphrodisiac. Anyway, let me give you a gander of what I am looking at. Okay, y'all, there's a child on the train, and he's listening to the wheels on the bus go round and round. I hope to heaven I don't be singing that for the rest of the day. I found myself singing along with it. Yeah, that's not the one I want to have stuck in my head all day. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round. Blah, blah, blah.
All passengers walking aboard the actual toilets, a wash basin, and a dustbin in every coach. Maintain a clean environment. Food staff will be served by the nurse company attendant in your coach. There are 2 toilets, a wash basin, and a dustbin in every coach. Maintain a clean environment. Food staff will be served by the nurse company attendant in your coach. Kindly note that serving and consumption of alcohol on board is only allowed at Tamtito and the station. Kindly note that serving and consumption of alcohol on board is only allowed at Tamtito and the station.
We on this morning because the evening train might be too late. Hey, what y'all know about that? Okay, that's a big old wall. Right, y'all. So here is the bathroom for the first class. 1 second. Madam, there's a food car, right?
What?
A food car to eat? What is it, chakula?
Oh, how?
Eating.
Or we finish first.
No, I'm in here. Is there a...
No, today we don't have a dining, so if you want food, I'm doing...
Oh, okay, what do you have?
I have chapati and beef.
Is the beef tough? Get chapati and chicken?
Rice and chicken.
I don't want rice. Yes, I want chapati. Okay, that's fine. Shingapi.
Rice and chicken.
No.
Chapati.
Chapati.
Chapati and beef.
Mm-hmm.
350.
Okay.
I get you.
So can we walk through or no?
No, you can't pass here.
I have to go back up that way.
So I get you chapati and beef.
Okay, I'm at 56.
Okay. 5 minutes.
Okay. Alrighty, so I guess, boys and girls, I will go use the bathroom. Microscopic. I may or may not because I don't know what it is. But we have we do have some tissue. Lock. Alright. I can't even get y'all the, okay, there we go. And it fits. It's not like on the bus or, okay, we kind of rickety there. On the bus or on the airplane is quite spacious. But anyway, I don't even want to take I don't even know what this could smell like. So, hold on. All right, so back in my seat, and I guess because it's Sunday, the dining car is not open, so you can't walk through. They've got it blocked off, but I did get a chance to go to the bathroom, which was halfway decent, not too bad. So I don't know when we arrived or whatever. I've taken a nap. I am bored. Now I'm waiting for some food to eat again. So I played games on my phone. I've responded to comments, the whole 9 yards. I wake up, there's somebody sitting next to me, like invading my space. And yeah, like I still say here, there's no sense of space, personal space or anything. People just invite their own ass into your space, and I don't like that. I'm trying really hard to deal with that. I'm trying to be friendly, and you know, in this day and age, you know, 6 feet, motherfucking shit. Like, damn, I wake up and you sit next to me. But anyway, that's all about that. So hopefully it'll be daytime still when we get to Mombasa, and it's gonna be a week of relaxation because I am, I don't know, kind of tired. So I'm looking forward to that fun and sun. Maybe I should have brought 2 swimsuits and one less dress. I don't know. But I think because of the heat over there, I'll probably be wearing the dresses and not jeans and leggings and stuff. So yeah, there's that. And we'll talk. We are rolling. This portion of the trip is a little rickety. Like the first part before we stopped at whatever the last stop was, it was really smooth, but now it's just kind of wobbly. So who knows? All right, water lilies, we'll talk later. It looks like out west in the United States out here, flat and nothing and dusty. All right, water lily. So I got something light to eat. We got chapati. We got white chapati and brown chapati. And in here is some kind of beef dish. And it costs like 350 Kenya shillings. So, which is approximately $3. Oh, and it's got vegetables with it too. So it looks pretty tasty. Smells good. Hope the beef is chewable because that's a thing here. Like that beef do not be chewable. We are not eating vegan dishes today. Alrighty, I'm gonna wolf it down and then whatever is interesting next, you'll see it. Okay, they do got a nice freeway. If they don't got nothing else here, they got some really nice freeways. Look at that. We coming on in this booger, but we up kind of high and I ain't feeling that. Just really dusty. I'm really surprised for this to be a coastal area, how dusty it is. Look at these houses up on the hill. I can't. I wouldn't make it home. Look at that. Darn it. Oh. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Or maybe this is why it's going to be 2 o'clock before we get there. We're moving so slow. With the goats up on the hill. I get to shout out Simone Alana in this video because we are having a conversation on WhatsApp and her messages keep popping up. And I'm like, what is that vibrating? Hey, Simone. If you haven't already, go on and check out Simone Alana's channel. She's got a lot of good information for those of you that have families, children, and homeschooling, food hauls, and her husband Ryan are wonderful, wonderful cooks, and Ryan has a channel as well. He does rugby. So I'm watching Ryan's videos just to, kind of watch the guys, but also to learn what rugby is all about. Maybe it's a sport that I can watch since I'm boycotting every other sport in the U.S. So we're pulling in and they're making the announcement. So over talking me. All right, water lilies, I have made it into Mombasa. It looks quite dusty, but oh my God, look at all of those shuttles down there. I don't know if you can see them, probably because it's that way. So I've got to go catch one of those heading to Diani Beach. Alrighty. Alrighty. Alrighty, so you do get some footage of me with my backpack on my back. Oh, this place is really, really nice. Let me spin around and around, round and around, round and around and around. That made me dizzy. Alrighty. We are outside and I can't breathe with all that on. So yeah, so I've got my other bag down here with my big old sweater that I crocheted myself. And I'm doing good, y'all. Normally I would be huffing and puffing, so I guess all them 15,000 steps in Nairobi helped. So out the door we go. We got to go down this little thingy-ma-doo here. Yeah, they don't know how to get on an escalator. I noticed that when I left Nairobi. That seems to be a thing. Oh, she's gonna fall. Oh my God. They are afraid. Oh my God, what was that? What was that? Was that her luggage?
Enda na lift, mommy. Shuka na hiyo lift.
Okay.
Shuka na lift, mom.
Really? Oh, let me put my mask on. I'm doing too much. Okay. It is a little scary. Like he just threw her suitcase down the escalator. And she said, F that. She was going to find some stairs. Welcome to Mombasa. Okay, Kenya. Y'all do stuff a little different here. And Okay, so y'all, I had peeped game in Nairobi because a silly little girl in front of me, she kept letting the handle down on her piece of luggage. You know, the luggage had wheels on it. Then she put it on the step. Then she'd come down and just stop right in front of the escalator and lift this thing up. And I was like, you know, I'm coming down. I'm moving weight. And I was like, really, girl? And she was like, so sorry. So they don't get it. They didn't get the memo. They didn't understand their assignment. So, yeah, I think this is like lovely. Hey. And sorry, y'all, but you know, I'm gonna peel up. It doesn't feel too hot, but I'm gonna peel up out of some of this garb. What they say, these garden tools ain't loyal. That would be me. I wear what the hell I want to wear. I'm not going to be all up in here sweating and stinking. Okay, so imagine to my surprise that we did all that bobbing and weaving through Mombasa, and now we are sitting here waiting for the ferry. Nice, nice. So as we sit here, as we pulled up, it was just leaving, and my understanding... What? Who's blocking? Baby, I'm a retired truck driver. Keep it moving. Look at all these axles. These little boys got these little short containers with all these axles. They moving weight over here. Yeah. All right, water lilies. I'm in the tuk-tuk. I'm almost there. This has been a long day, but we are getting there. We're making it. So, yeah. Oh, look at all the art. Tourist trap, tourist trap. Oh, but they got some beautiful stuff. All right, almost there.